I found this table on the side of the road that someone had out for trash, and would you believe how much it is going for online? I had a hunch that it would be worth money, but not this much. After looking it over in the daylight, I saw that there was quite a bit of places where it was rusted and it was quite dirty and needed a good cleaning. First, I had to get rid of all this dirt. I just used some good old Dawn dish soap and water and gave it a good scrub down. After getting it clean, I still had all this rust to deal with. And would you believe that Coke can actually get off rust? So with the help of my little guy, I just poured some Coke in a cup and then used some wire bristled brushes to scrub on the rusted areas. This worked really well. It wasn't a complete fix, like there were still some very faint spots, but it looked so much better than it did. With only about an hour of work, it was completely cleaned up. Now the glass did have some scratches throughout that I could not capture on my camera, and then there were those areas of light rust that I couldn't get rid of. So I ended up just listing it at $300. I thought that was a fair price, and boy, should I have listed it for more because it sold within 5 minutes. I'm curious, do you think it was a fair price? Would you have listed it for more? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.